The Earned Income Tax Credit is a refundable tax break for low to moderate income working individuals and families. This is often referred to as the EITC. It is one of the largest federal programs for supporting working people. The exact amount you might receive depends on your income, filing status, and the number of qualifying children you have. To qualify, you need to be working and stay within specific income boundaries set by the IRS every year. The EITC is powerful because it is refundable, meaning you could receive money back even if you owe no income tax. As this chart shows, the credit amount increases significantly with each additional qualifying child you claim on your tax return. Many people miss out on this credit simply because they do not file a tax return. Never leave money on the table. Check the official IRS website for the most recent income limits. Thanks for watching, and remember to consult a tax professional.